Today I'll be reviewing this large 100-liter laundry basket that is foldable and made of polyester. The product dimensions are 43 in length by 32 in width by 4 in height, and that is in centimeters. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the quality of this foldable laundry basket that has a bag that can be detached, so you can bring the laundry bag down to wherever your washer and dryer are, and it makes it a lot easier having it with this setup. This comes in a nice gray color, and it's very easy to use. It only takes a few moments to install or set up. If you follow the instructions there, it's foldable, so you can put it away and compact it if you want to in a cabinet when you're not using it. But I like to keep mine set up in my closet so I can throw my laundry in there whenever I need to. It's very tall, so that's a great thing because you can put a lot of laundry in it, and it's very stylish and good looking and made of durable material, so I think it will last a long time. It has a waterproof coating on it and a tear resistant design and is moisture proof. So if you're looking for a stylish, large capacity and very convenient foldable laundry basket, then I highly recommend that you check out this laundry basket. It has a removable bag so you can take the laundry down to your washer and dryer, and it's super easy to use. If you'd like to get this foldable laundry basket for yourself at a discounted rate, make sure to check out the links below this